Hey, what's going on, guys? Corey Digman here from Digman Fitness, coming at you with our Smart Fitness Makeover Series. Today's topic is heart rate training zone. So where should my heart rate be at while I work out to gain the best benefit for my health and fitness? Okay, so basically the guidelines that I go off of through the American College of Sports Medicine says that if we're training at moderate intensity exercise for 150 minutes a week, which is about 75 to 85% of your heart rate max, or low to moderate intensity for 300 minutes a week. That's between 50 and 75% of my heart rate max. So if we say, for example, if we take the 150 minutes a week, we spread it out throughout the week, it's about 22 minutes a day of the moderate intensity, which is 85%. So for an average age of, let's say, 30 years old, if you're training around 160 beats per minute throughout that time, then you're going to get the best results for your heart health and prevent against disease, given that your stress level and nutrition, everything else is consistent also. So, heart rate max. The calculation is an adjusted 207 minus 70% of your age, or if you want to get a fairly good consistent number, you can also do 220 minus your age to get your heart rate max. So what you do is you just take 85% of the heart rate max, do the calculation. If you're 30 years old, that's 160. If you're 35, that's 157. There's a chart on this. If you guys ever need that, let me know. I can always send it to you. So you kind of go off that chart. Maybe have it available at your workout facility. Maybe have it in your notebook so you can kind of see where you're at, making sure you're working hard enough. That obviously changes a little bit as far as intensity. If you're more fit, you're able to train at a higher level. So if you're more fit, you're training for several years. Maybe you can train at 95% for most of the 22 minutes. Okay, so the 50 to 75% ranges from, if you're 30 to 40 years old, anywhere between 85 to 135, 140 beats per minute. Okay, so basically when you're working out, to make it easy on yourself, find a clock, find a watch, get your beat for 6 seconds, and multiply it by 10. Or you can go 15 by 4, 30 by 2, or if you want most accurate, stand by a clock for a minute, get your beats. Okay, record that. That's a good way to see how hard you're working out and if you're consistent enough throughout your workout plan. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. Let me know what you guys have going on with your workouts and if it's intense enough.